What the Truck Wednesday?
What's going on, everybody? It's Russell and Tom, your e-pals, coming to you from Washington State in beautiful Olympia.
Today is Wednesday, but it must be said that we are recording on Tuesday.
Yes.
And it is Valentine's Day, and our marketing department came to us and told us we couldn't do what we wanted to do. It was going to be a steamy hot video today. Me and Tom shake weights, and we were going to show you how much we love you.
Yes.
And they wouldn't let us do it. So
you said no. It's a family show.
You get us just normal, what the truck. That's what they would have said had we done the original.
Mm-hmm. And I don't know if you've noticed, even more important than Russell's opening monologue, is I'm not wearing a vest today.
And I'm wearing a new 5-panel.
Yes.
Now, the thing I like about 5 panels on my head is that it makes my head look smaller and it makes my ears look bigger, and I appreciate that.
Have you ever worn a hat and tucked your ears in?
Well, no.
I've seen people do that, and it's like really weird to me.
Do you tuck your ears into your hat? All right, guys.
Let's get serious here, Russell.
Yeah. So Tom worked on some maintenance kits for a lot of vehicles, but probably 75% of those were trucks or SUVs. So I thought it was, a great idea to talk about those with you guys, and a little maintenance goes a long way.
Yes, springtime is around the corner, though we're going to get 6 more weeks of winter, supposedly. And these kits are just your basic, if you've had your truck sitting, if it's sitting in the garage, and it's time to do some maintenance for the new year, these kits have air filters, oil filters, and most of them have fuel filters. If you see a kit that does not have a fuel filter included, that means that it is in the gas tank and is not part of regular maintenance.
Yeah. So if you go to our website, there'll be a link in the description of the video. You can see all the kits. If you find a vehicle that isn't included in there, good luck.
Or hit us up.
Yeah, just let us know.
Because I did about 500 kits, and around the 300th kit, I was starting to get a little bit.
It was a lot.
Yeah,
it was a 3-person job to put this stuff together, and we had people putting kits together on the website. Tom putting the kits together, taking photos, me editing and uploading. Like, it was a lot. But this kind of stuff is aimed to save you guys time
on the website. Just one click.
Yeah, easy peasy. Lego giveaway. Just hit the link up there. Who doesn't want to win Fast and Furious Speed Champions Lego set? That car is going to fall off of there and it's going to break. It's going to explode. But it's completely free to enter. All you got to do is go to that video, comment on it. There's also a 10% off code.
Subscribe.
Yeah, obviously. If you're here and you haven't subscribed, if you're a What the Truck Wednesday viewer, we know you. You're the hardcore people. 10% off code in that video. We're going to give it to you here because that's what we do. Family. And that's good through, Friday at 3 p.m.? Yeah. And if you don't tune in to Friday's videos, you're going to want to tune in. You might notice we've been doing daily flash sales. Got a big one coming this Friday.
Cool.
No one wants to miss it. If you got a Nissan and you need parts or just want some swag or some merch, sign yourself up. D21 belt moldings.
Yes. So these belt moldings, these are very limited, and they are also VIN specific, pretty much. It's not a one-size-fits-all deal.
Right.
So hit us up in the comments. Well, we'll give you the part number.
Yeah.
And maybe we can list what they fit as well. Keep it simple.
Yeah, it's kind of complicated. It's kind of confusing. If you D21 owners know, if you've owned a few trucks or been down this rabbit hole before, let us know in the comments what the difference were. I'm guessing there's probably something with chrome trim, cab size.
Yeah, you're probably right. But shorter doors for like the bigger cab. Yeah. I also double checked on the outside moldings. The outside moldings or window squeegees, if you're not sure what we're talking about, if you have a hard body up to 1994, we can get you those outside moldings. If your truck's produced after 8 of 1994, they'd be discontinued.
Yeah. Dan Thayer. Now, didn't have a lot of shout outs for this video. We haven't, we kind of skipped over a few weeks this year of doing Wednesdays. But Dan Thayer has commented on several videos asking about S12 parts. I'm dying to do an S12 video. We need to do it. I know we've got some people here who have S12s, but asked about a coolant reservoir, and that is discontinued. I did check all the motor sizes because I was just curious to see, and they're discontinued. If anybody knows of a replacement that will work, that's a good replacement for that car, let us know.
What was the guy that got in the comments in the last What the Truck where he was asking about? He was asking about some part. Oh yeah, timing cover for a K24.
That was on Friday's video.
Was it?
Yeah.
But it was for a truck though.
Yep.
Okay. Well.
Yeah.
If you have a D21 with a K24.
Yeah.
Single cam, we can get brand new timing cover for you from Nissan.
And I didn't know that.
No, I didn't either.
That's crazy. The ones for the 240s are discontinued, but I thought it was kind of cool that the one for the D21 was available. So I wonder what else different on it than.
They probably sold more D21s than 240s.
Well, I just mean like comparatively, like the cover itself, like what is physically different about it. I'm sure there's there's been a lot of comments on videos in the past, especially the KA video we did, of people talking about doing KA swaps. There's a lot of KA knowledge out there. I love it. I like reading those comments and learning a little something. We got in some of the 2023 Z Hot Wheels cars. This is the blue one. These are $3 on our website. We just marked the price down. It was a little too high, I think. But if you place an order over $50, we're gonna give this to you for free. All you gotta do is throw it in the cart.
Yeah, it has to be, you have to have this in your cart.
Yes.
And purchase $50 or more.
Yes.
And then we will refund you on the Hot Wheel.
Yeah.
It's not every order gets a Hot Wheel. You have to put that in your cart, buy $50 worth of stuff, and we'll just refund you on it.
Right. You putting that in the cart tells us you want that, and you watch this video, and that's how you learn that.
And that's $50 pre-shipping, right?
Right. So, yeah, we got a bunch of these. Snag one, throw it in the collection. And guys, that's another What the Truck Wednesday for you.
Well, I've got one more thing.
Tom's loaded up over here.
Yeah, I got a full sheet here. A lot of sheet here.
Yeah.
For What the Truck. On our website, if you go down the D21 section,
yes,
it says that the battery trays are discontinued and the cigarette lighter ring. I just found out that we can get those now. Part numbers will be on the screen or in the details. Let's see, what else? What else, Russell? I think that's it. We brought in these filters to show you guys the evolution of Nissan air filter, or air filters in general. This, everybody knows these. And I can remember when they came out with that style over there.
It's so weird.
I was like, man, this is the future.
Yeah. Well, I mean, this looks like a UFO. This is an advanced. That right there is a UFO that could only fly so far. This one is like the one that went forever.
This is like the one that they shot down over the Yukon.
Which is weird because I think that this is the only filter like this that we have for Nissans, isn't it?
I believe so. So. But I remember when they were making that switch, they thought that was a good idea for a while.
Yeah.
And I think it was probably to keep. I don't know why they did it like that, but it's kind of cool looking. Looks like a futuristic stadium or a UFO.
Yeah, this is where FIFA gets all the inspiration for their stadium designs.
That's true.
Oh, man.
All right, so I think that's it. Like and subscribe and leave a comment, and you might win one of these Lego kits.
Yeah.
And if you're a Lego builder, and you're on Instagram, add us on some of your Lego builds so we can see what everyone's building.
Yeah, I would love to see. I show Tom all the time. I like following the pages of people who make little custom mini cars, and they show you all the pieces you need to buy to get it. Tom has got a project coming up.
Yeah, but I just checked to see where it's at, and it's like it takes 30 days to get the pieces from Denmark. So
yeah,
that'll be down. This is going to be a year-long project that I'm working on.
It'll be cool though, so it'll be worth it.
And I'll bring it in and show it off.
Break it in, be like dumping the chili.
Man, don't. All right, so use that discount code FAMILY. It's good for another couple of days, and then we'll come out with a new one after 3 p.m. on Friday, but use it now, save 10% site-wide, and we'll see you in a couple days.
Later, guys.
See ya.